Welcome to today's exploration of our planet's changing environment, as we look closer at the pressing issues affecting our world. First, we turn our attention to the Arctic. Did you know that ice in this region is melting at an astonishing rate of 13% per decade? This rapid change not only threatens polar ecosystems, but contributes significantly to rising sea levels, impacting coastal communities worldwide. Next, we shift to the lush, vibrant rainforests, which cover approximately 6% of the Earth's surface. These ecosystems are not just beautiful, they are essential for our planet's health. They absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, and house over half of the world's terrestrial species.